Now watch how good my dog listens. Cody, lay down. Sit. I said lay down. I meant sit. Okay, whatever. Down. Come over here and get in bed. No. Come here. Lay down. In bed. Cody, lay down. What are you looking at? Down. Down. On the ground. Cody, lay down. Lay down. Now. Go on. Down all the way. Keep going. Keep going. That's my baby. You lay there. You be a good boy. Mama loves you. You want a treat? Did you hear that? You want a treat? Do you want a treat, Cody? Huh? Do you want a treat? Get up and give me a paw. Give me a paw. Come on. Up. Sit. Let me go. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Sit.
Sit.
Hold on. Sit.
Paw.
Do left and right.
Left. Right. High five. Good boy. Voila. Now go lay down. Go lay down. Sit. Good boy. This is
We'll get a treat when the supper's done, okay?
What
What are you doing, Destiny? Oh, fudge.
That's something nice. That's paw. Right paw. 5. High five. Good boy. Let me get you a treat.
Cody. Back in the kitchen.
Back to your bed.
Stop yelling. Cody, over here.
I'm over here.
Cody, bed.
Sit. He's happy. This is my favorite.
Put it on his nose. Put it on his nose.
Sit. Keep it. Keep it.
Hold it, Cody. Not yet.
Hold it.
Good boy.
What?
No more, okay? No more.
Oh.
Come on, Destiny. I'm trying to cook, so hurry up.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
There you go.
He's like, I don't want to play that.
Okay. Go lay down. No more for you. Mine. Look at my treat. We're good, girl.
Did you hear that? You get no more. Cody.
You did leftover dinner.
Cody. Did you hear her? Cody. Hey. Love you. You're beautiful. You know that?